When you're looking for the best-in-class, full-size pickup truck, there's one truck that finds the shortest route to the front of the pack. The 2021 Ford F-150 Limited here at Royal Oak Ford. Tough leads the way. With the best-in-class 3,300-pound maximum available payload with a built-in workbench and new tailgate work surface. The all-new 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power onboard turns your F-150 into a generator. The Ford F-150 Limited has an all-new interior that goes all in on comfort, productivity, and convenience. Taking charge with a state-of-the-art command center, the Ford Co-Pilot 360 and Sync 4 connectivity provides confidence mile after mile. So come take a test drive with me, Devin Carrier, and check out the all-new Ford F-150 Limited here at Royal Oak Ford.